Brad Perry is downtown this morning. Not quite as foggy there, I hope.
No, it looks a little clearer there. He is embracing life this morning. Hi, Brad.
Good morning, Alexis and David. Yes, we are doing Embrace down here in downtown San Diego. What it is an organization that gets the young adults, you could say, from college freshmen up to graduate, out into the community working very hard. Here are a few right here, and this is what's so cool. Not just from colleges here in San Diego. We have UCLA over here spending the summer doing this. We have a graduate of Marquette right here, and then we do have our San Diego students here. And you Melanie went to SDSU?
Yes.
And then you went to UCSD?
Yes.
There you go. And Jeff, where you go?
SDSU.
There you go. And I got to ask you, Melanie, this is great. What makes you want to get out in the community like this?
My friends. My friends from college actually invited me to come out to serve with Embrace about 2 years ago. And it's really fun just meeting new people, and we're doing something good for the community. So it's really fun.
Yeah, and it's so amazing to see them. And I have to come over here to the Marquette and the UCLA here, because I ask you, you know what? You just get out of college and you're down here helping. Why is that?
It's fun. It gives me something to do during the evenings. We're out here on Wednesdays and Thursdays at 6 p.m. It's something for me to do after work, so I don't feel like I'm working all the time.
I love it. It's so amazing. Sean, come over here, because we got to mention what Embrace is about, because also they have their big event coming up. And if you want to get involved, it's amazing. But coming up, I know we're not even in September yet, but you guys plan this because it's a very big event that goes on.
It is. Each year we put together an event called Embrace the Streets, where the college students for a solid week, they collect clothing, they collect blankets, and then a week after we hand it all out. Last year we served about 700 homeless people. We're looking to do at least 8 this year. It'll be the first week of November is when we do the collection, and that is officially Embrace the Streets Week, the city of San Diego.
Wow, it's so amazing. Now, if there are, students who are coming back in and want to get involved, how do they do that?
They can look us up on Facebook, and they can also go to www.embrace1.org.
So it's very cool. Now, they've actually helped build a house. They've done quite a bit. And it's great to get involved. You see them all giving their time in the morning to come out here and do this. It usually takes place in the evening time. So I know some are like, well, I can't wake up that early. But evening time, it takes place starting at what time?
6 p.m. every Wednesday and Thursday when school gets back in. We had so many volunteers last semester. We're going to have to add another couple of days. So chances are we'll be out here 3 to 4 days a week.
I love it. I love it. They're teaming with a lot of people, too, David and Alexis. It's a great way to get involved. Helps out the community down here. And what was really great is when our cameras were off, the homeless men and women were coming up and thanking Sean and saying, wow, this is great, and them getting stuff out here. And so we come back, we're going to talk more about that, tell you how you get involved, and let you know that they are looking for clothes. And we'll talk about what type of clothes they're looking for the men and women down here who are homeless. And it helps our veterans and non-veterans down here. So it's really great to people get involved with them. So, and again, you know what? How do you spend your college, summer break? By coming down and helping out and embracing the community, which is so cool. David and Alexis?
Wow, I mean, those kids are really doing something good for the community, and I can just imagine those are our future leaders in our country, Brad.
They are.
And the fact that they get up this early, that's impressive.
That's the big part.
You better go do a donut run for them, Brad.
So, well, you know what? One's heading to jury duty, right? She has to head out to jury duty. She has to go work. And then, Jeff, what are you doing?
I'm going
home.
To sleep.
Back to sleep.
There you go. That's my man.
College, I'm going back to sleep.
Yeah.
So that's
They deserve it. Brad, thank you so
Brad.
much for that.